Hello, how are you?
I am fine, and you?
Yeah, I'm also doing great, amazing. So, how are the day going on?
Okay, my day was so good. And your?
Yeah, my day is also going well, wonderfully way because I am now this time trying to make productive.
Yeah, yeah.
So, first of all, before dive into the conversation, just we go for the little bit introduction. So, please, for the audience, give your introduction.
Okay, my name is Josun Kumar, or I am from Bihar, but currently I live in Andhra Pradesh because I am pursuing B Pharmacy degree in Aditya College of Pharmacy. This is my short intro.
Yes,
Yes, tell me about yourself.
okay, okay. You are from.
I am from Bihar, but currently I live in Andhra Pradesh.
Okay, now your profession.
My profession is B Pharmacy.
Okay, you are taking training or you are qualified? You are something
No,
which
no,
is
college life is going on.
okay, okay, good, good. Okay, my friend, I am Nilam Singh. I am from Delhi. I had done my graduation master BA. And now this time I am an English teacher. And as you know that I am a YouTuber, usually I upload the English content for the English learners because this is my motto. And second, and now this time I am taking spoken English classes for the beginners.
Okay.
So, how is what about your journey? Tell something about your journey because you are now learning this language, and how long have you been in this journey?
Yeah, before 2 months I started the journey, regular practice in the journey, or I inspire one thing because I visited lots of states. After then, if you go to South area, yeah, another state, not understand Hindi language, understand mother tongue language. Mother tongue language are different. After then, you can communicate English because if you explore your life after then, if you lots of state, lots of country, if you visit after then, you can speak English language. After that, after that, I understand what is the importance of English in this era, digital era. After that, I can start my journey, English journey. This is my
Oh,
short journey I describe for you.
really, it's very true. It's a global language, and it requires too much. These era, we can't say that without English we can't go ahead. Even our growth can be stopped because of this language. We are not going to learn this language. It's very difficult for us. So this time everybody understands this thing. English very important, even though you know that our homemakers and our students, teenagers, youth, today's youth is curious about this language and they are very much fascinated about this language. And even though the passion they have spoken about this language, still you know what is the requirement is the today's demand also. That's the reason not even the passion, not even the fascination. I think there is a big requirement also. That's the reason now everybody talks this language because they know that without they are not going to learn English. Definitely, their growth can be blocked because of this language. Because you know that these eras, getting good opportunities are opportunity not unlocked when we are not like not in this language. So it's very important to go to learn this language to get a good success and get the success as well as the opportunities. Golden opportunity can be grabbed only when we are very much at this language, and that's the reason we have to little bit focus on this language, and we can if we are good at English, like communication skill is our communication skill is good. We are at least good speaker. Then we can say yes. Now is the time we can go ahead for our growth and career. So it's very important. I have seen so many persons which they now stop their growth. Now they stop to go ahead because of this language. They pass their like graduation, BA, and other qualification they have required. But still they are now everything they post because of this language, because of learning this language, and they are very much into this language because they know that it's very important. Without learning, without focusing this language, we can't go ahead. Yes, you are right. And really,
Yeah.
I resonate with this thing that English is very important and essential in this digital era. Really. So, you inspired because you were going here and there. That's the reason you felt that observed that it is very important. Okay, so what do you do? How did you learn this language? And now you are actually at least very easy mode. You can converse in easily. So how did you learn this language?
With the help of internet, because internet is the easy access to you can also connect any person, or you can also help YouTube, Chat GPT. Lots of applications are available to if you are using for internet after, then you can lots of benefit depend upon person to person, I think. Because if you are using good manner, this is good for you. If you are bad for you after, then you bad effect. This is the internet are using, because lots of person are connected with internet, easy access or easily improve English language without with the help of practice.
What do you say that? What do you think that? What is very important for the practice? But what thing is more? But there is four pillar, and otherwise also there are so many content on the YouTube platform. What tool? What thing? What step you usually take for your practice?
Yeah, main thing is your passionate, means means if you are hungry after, then you can also learn. Because if you not take food after, then you can so hungry after, then say give me food. You can also, this is language. If you are hungry, this language you can also learn easily with the help of, if you are requirement after, then you can learn. If you have no requirement, why you learn? Also lots of problem are facing, saying I have 1 year, I will improve my English, but right now my English is not good. Also lots of people are suffering, facing biggest challenge in this era.
But really, it is appreciable that you mustered your courage and you now on the front of the camera. Really, it's amazing because it's not everyone cup of tea. I appreciate, really, I'm glad to see your courage and braveness because usually what happens, the people are good at speaking and they are very good at writing, reading also. But what happened because of the camera, they can't converse in front of the camera. And when you be this think that that they can convert, they wanted to convert on YouTube channel, but because of they drag themselves, because of they can't be able to confront the camera. So this is the reason. But now you are confronting the camera as well as you are doing so well. Even though you are trying hard a little bit, but still I am. It's a good thing. It's a good sign of the practice and learning. Because then we learn a lot, but if we are not going to practice and confidently, we are not speaking with the confidence. It means something is lagging behind. So we should not. If we are practicing a lot, we are learning a lot. We are putting our efforts so much in this language, and sometimes we are investing a lot of time for this language. But we feel that we are not going to go for the speaking and go for the confidently we cannot speak. Definitely, we can't enhance our power according about this language. Very important. If the person is a beginner and a lot of co-learners and there are a lot of English learners, they are good at English, but still they are not trying. They are not trying to. come forward for the YouTube channel, because it is a way to boost their confidence. When we will speak on the like platform, any platform, so in the front of the people, then you realize that where you are, how you can speak or not. So it is very nice thing. I really appreciate you, and now I want to ask one thing. When you started your practice, at that time, at what level you were?
Okay. Those time, I little bit I know, but some because those time I will not speak single word. I can't speak any guy or any student. Yeah, if ask any question, but I those time I so fear lots of face problem. But right now, if any guy call me, I will easily talk with any guy. This is the because I afford lots of time after then I learn this language, because lots of people are giving tomorrow I will do, tomorrow I will do, but tomorrow is not coming because time is going on in this time. After then I think, if I say tomorrow, when I will do, this is the biggest challenge are facing lots of people, I think, right now.
Right, right, right. So, there, like you, there's a lot of beginners. They are facing the challenge, because initially it is difficult, very hard and tough for everyone, not you. And they are facing the problem. Sometimes too low, and sometimes they should show me, and sometimes too in the tall. So, you think, are you facing this type of problem, or you have crossed these all difficulties?
Yeah, you are right. Or also, if you daily practice, after then you know everything, because if you if you are learning new things, take the time, because this is not 2 minute Maggie, because this is a language you can learn day by day. After then because first you build up your habit, after then you know everything, because you are improving your language day by day, I think this is the good thing.
So, what do you think? What kind of tools will you use for your English? So, for practice, I need to.
Yeah, main thing is practice, because those time i those time I only for focus on grammatical, but I'm not speaking. But after that I think, if I practice, after then I can learn lots of things. This is the improve English language.
Okay. So, there are copious groups. So, there's a lot of groups such as copious group. So, any group do you have joined?
Yeah, I have lots of groups. Five groups join American English teacher. Lots of groups I have to improve English language right now.
What do you think? What this lesson? These groups are really helpful.
Yeah, helpful, because those time I wasted time in Insta, YouTube's only for I'm so addicted. But right now I utilize my time in the these groups to speaking any person, any topics, yeah, random question asking.
So, now, what you feel that how much level you have want to grab, what level you are now this level. So you think that any improvement, you need to get improvement in the language, or you are grabbing going ahead. So what do you think?
I'm thinking not intermediate level, like average. Right now I am average level I am facing. But if I daily practice only for 2 months, after that my intermediate level I can easily crack.
Yes, yes. Okay, right. And do you want to go ahead for the advanced level?
Advanced level means you can learn, you can talk with foreigner client, because foreigner client I also talk but not understand. But If I practice with foreigner client after that I understand because those guys are speaking advanced English, not you. Um, Foreigner client speak advanced English to talk with any guy. You can easily not catch. I think.
What do you think? Every person should be grab the level like okay, basic, intermediate level, or the advanced. What is more important for the only simple and good country?
Yeah, main thing is if you speak in front of camera after that you know everything. What is the body language? What is the mistake I do? After then you can utilize means you can see your video after then you can improve your English language also. This is a benefit.
This is area from the village, rural area.
Yes, could you repeat again? I didn't catch you.
Yeah, where you from? Like this time you are from rural area, village.
No, no. Right now I live in Andhra Pradesh in city area.
Okay. So you are like putting so much effort in this language. So have you any friends which is also with you for this language practicing together, or you are the only this is a your solitary journey.
Okay, yeah. Some guys are speaking, but mainly guys are speaking with mother tongue language because speaking because if you ask any question, give the reply in English. But every time, what you speak, another guy because you can alone you can practice with any groups, yeah, any YouTube. You can learn after then make the video. You can also improve your English language.
Right, right. So any opinion from your side for the beginners because you are like a hustler, you are just putting your efforts even though you're struggling hard because now you're speaking good, but there need little bit improvement we are observing. So okay, you are growing this time and naturally after some time you starting shining in this language, no doubt because when the one person is get quite good at this language, they need not to say anything because her accent, her way, his or her way, or his or her accent speak much than their learning. So, what do in your opinion, what do you say about the for the beginners?
Yeah, if I will say, uh, if any guys beginner are start the English journey, you can focus on practice or learning new things because the main thing is practice. If you go to any field, if you not practice after then you can not speak anything. You can't do anything. Main thing is practice you can do, or you can watch podcast, yeah, reading also after then benefit for you. I think listening more English content. This is the pillar of improve your English language.
Fantastic. Really good point. Very insightful point for the beginners. Really, and you expressed very nicely your way, your journey. Really, it's commendable. I appreciate your efforts because you are putting so much effort for this language, and really, I am glad to see your efforts. From my heart, I am really praising your way, and you are so much hustler person. Really good. So, our session really, I had good conversation with you and with your about your journey. You said two really good points and good and really I'm thankful to you connecting to me and you here.
Okay, man.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, nice to talk with you. Man.